very first thing we need to do with a gas leak is ventilate the room. So open a sliding door, open a window. That should be the first thing we do, and then isolate the gas at the gas meter at the front. What you need to know about your gas supply. Number one, you need to know where your gas meter is. If you're in a house, it is at the front of the property, either on the right or left hand side or the centre of the property. If you've just bought a new house, one of the first things you should do is locate your gas meter. It can be coming from a number of areas, maybe the kitchen, your lounge room, or even your laundry. You could have a gas storage hot water heater in your laundry. So my job is, number one, is to locate that gas leak for you. So if you notice your gas odour or your gas smell in your kitchen area first, that's where I would start. You would have a gas cooktop, the same as this here, which is a gas cooktop, or you could have an upright stove, which could be a gas cooktop on the top, electric oven underneath. What I do first is then come in with a gas leak detector, bring it out of its safety box, and turn the gas leak detector on. The gas leak detector is very sensitive and will pick up the slightest gas leak. So the way the gas detector works is once it's turned on, it's very sensitive and it will pick up any gas supply. What I do first is just virtually run the gas detector around the top of the cooktop here, seeing whether we have any type of gas leak around the burners or the control taps. If that shows up negative, then what I need to do is locate the gas valve and regulator, which is under the cooktop. These gas regulators and control taps can sometimes be tricky to find. Like in this case here, they're in behind these sliding doors at the back. So the gas leak detector is able to get in through this access panel here, or this gap here in the door. It'll go surf, and then I know I found the gas leak. I would then isolate the gas valve there and carry out further repairs. If you notice a gas odour or a gas smell coming from around your room heater, such as we've got here, the first thing we need to do in this particular situation is unplug the gas hose from the bayonet inside the wall, which is normally just a push in, screw to the left and pull it out. Doing that will isolate any gas leak to your room heater.